Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful brand new Carnival Mardi Gras. Now this particular category is a Carnival Aft Excel Suite. So you're gonna get all of those fantastic suite amenities. It's a ton of space, especially when traveling with your family. Let me show you what it's all about. So we've started here in the living room space. You've got a nice large couch with a chaise lounger. This also doubles as a sleeping space as well too, so that can be made up into a bed. In fact, I do like that they have a climate control in here and a separate one in the master bedroom as well. We'll take you in there in just a second. Now directly across from the couch, you've got a large flat panel TV. It's the first of the TVs here in the room. You've got a little bit of storage up top and then more storage underneath. Now continuing along, you're gonna have a mini fridge underneath here. You've got some water. It does come pre-stocked with that for you upon arrival. Storage up and down, and then you have more storage in the drawers just below. Now because this is a sleeping space as well, if you have it that way, you're gonna have your hanging storage right here, those extra comfy Carnival bathrobes that come being part of the suite, and then you're gonna have storage up and down, including these new baskets. I really like that they put those in there. Really nice and convenient. Now also in the living room, you're gonna find a dining space. So you've got a table with 2 chairs, you can turn that around, and there's also more space outside. We'll take you out there in just a minute. But if you wanna take advantage of that room service menu, you can do it right here. Now let me take you to the entryway. So the door comes in just here. Once again, we're on the aft corner. You've got a nice little storage nook right there. And then I'm gonna take you into the bathroom. Now it's a unique configuration. So in here is really a half bath. So you've got a door that will shut completely here. So if you have guests over, they can use the bathroom without disturbing, but this will also open up and take you into the main part of the bath. But before we do, I just wanted to point out, you've got a single vanity right here, storage up and down, and a little bit of storage underneath, and a magnifying mirror to get ready, along with a charger up there. They've got a couple USB chargers, so you've got an extra charging station here as well. Now let's head into the main part of the bathroom. You've got a really large double vanity. You've got storage up and down here, more plugs in here for shavers, and then also USBs. You've got your magnifying mirror, and then storage underneath. Now I'm a really big guy. I love that they have a massive shower. Let me open that up. You've got those upgraded Elemis bath amenities. You've got a full rainforest shower head right here. You also have your shower wand, and it's got all of these jets. I jokingly call it a car wash shower, but it's really kind of one of those swish shower concepts. A really nice upgraded amenity. Now once again, you can shut the door here, so you have just the bathroom separate, and then as we head right around the corner, there's another door heading into the master. Now we'll head it into the master bedroom. While we do, I just wanted to point out one of my all-time favorite features. I love my family, I love traveling with them, but I also love having a door. So you've got that extra level of privacy, so the door can shut off inside here, and you can have this as your private space. Now let's head into the massive walk-in closet. It is motion activated, so you've got a door that will shut here, and then when you come in, it's gonna turn the lights on. You've got a ton of hanging storage all the way along. You've got shelves up and down as well. I really like this feature here, where you can open that up, you can make your own shelves, or you can put it up if you want a little bit more hanging storage. More over here, and then you've got your safe. It is big enough for like a Google Chromebook or a small laptop, passport, wallet, things like that. You've got more of these really convenient drawers, and at the bottom, all of those slide out as well. Now let's explore the bedroom. You've got more storage all the way up and down here. You're gonna have a side table with a drawer. You've got these reading lights. I really like them. They've got the USB chargers on either side, so really nice and convenient to charge. I usually bring an extra backup battery so I can charge more devices as well. And as we head in, you can see a large king-size bed. So this is a special upgraded pillow top mattress. You're gonna have a lot of suite amenities, access to Loft 19. You basically get your priority for all of the specialty dining, the main dining room. You're gonna have the bubble soda package included as well. Make sure you check out all of those down below in the description. Now directly across, you're gonna have another large flat panel TV. I love that you have 2. I travel with my family, and it's really nice to have that extra one in here. Now let's head over. You can see where there is a ton of space in here. More storage up and down. You've got a small reading chair here in the corner. And then you also have a nice reading desk or writing desk that also doubles as a backlit vanity. So you can sit here and get ready. There are a ton of plugs in here. Being a brand new modern ship, you've got 3 US plugs. You also have 4 USBs there as well. Now let's head out to what this particular suite is all about, the incredible aft-facing views. So now we're out on your balcony. It is a huge amount of space. We're gonna start over here, and for point of reference, this is just in front of the living room area. You've got a nice large table, that perfect place to have breakfast in the morning, maybe a cup of coffee, or maybe in the evening have a nice cocktail, and take advantage of those incredible sunset views. So I love that they have the door coming out from the living room, and also one coming out from the master bedroom as well. So maybe you wake up a little bit early, you don't need to go in and disturb anybody else. You can head right on out. So you have these two extra large comfy loungers. It's actually one daybed kind of pushed together. And then as we head around the corner, you have a massive daybed here right on the corner. So for point of reference, we're on the very corner of the ship. And what I like about this particular suite is you get those aft views, and then as we wrap around, you're also gonna get the side views as well. So once again, a really nice, large, comfy daybed. You're gonna have more on the side here. So you've got a love seat and a rocker as well. You've got quite a few of these cocktail tables. Once again, I can imagine myself sitting here having a nice cup of coffee in the morning. It's such a beautiful space. And finally, over in the corner, you have an extra large two-person jacuzzi soaking tub. So I travel, as I mentioned, with my family all the time. I can imagine my daughter, niece, and nephew really enjoying that. Or maybe they're in the kids club, my wife can come out and have a nice romantic evening, have a cup of champagne or glass of champagne, and look out at these incredible views. So there's a full wall of glass right here, and then all the way around the rest of it, you're gonna find the railing with the high glass as well. Now, when you're ready to book this incredible suite, you can do it right on harrtravel.com. You can book and pay for it there. We'll still provide all the same service, or you can hold a space and reach out to one of our experts, and we'd be happy to complete the process for you. We are your cruise experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with the cruise lines, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value.